welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your quantitative aptitude class, and in this class, if I'm talking about, this is your class 14th. We had done your class 13. In that we had started with the arithmetical ability, which is of section 1 of quantitative aptitude, where we had covered up the two topics, which is your operations on numbers, and the second topic we had discussed about it, which is LCM and SCF of numbers. And now we are going to start, we had started with the arithmetical ability, that the third topic we have is your decimal fraction. And hopefully if it is not exceeded more than 1 hour, so we will be ending up with this here in this class only. And as before, in the decimal fraction, if I'm talking about, we had deal with 107 questions of the sessions in this topic only in the last classes which we had done of decimal fraction. You can just go through with the playlist, and it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers. Please go through with the subscribe button, and please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. We'll start with the session, that is your 108 question. The question states that if 1 upon 6.198 is equals to 0.16134, then the value of, what we have to find out, the value of 1 upon 0.0006198, that we have to find out. And this has been the question which has been asked in SSC examination paper. That is also an important paper respect towards the competition wise, if I'm talking about here. The options for this we have, that is your 0.016134. The B option is 0.16134. C option is 1613.4, and the D option is 16134. So let's go ahead with the solution, so that you will get to know that what will be the right answer here and for this question as well. So let's go ahead here with the solution. So the solution we have, let's go ahead, which is 1 upon 0.0006198. so that we have here, which we have to find out the value here, that is 1 0 0 0 and 0 upon 6.198, which is equals to 1 0 0 0 0 into 1 upon 6.198, and which is equals to here, and that we have to talk about it, that is your 1 0 0 0 0 into 0.16134, and that is when we'll go ahead with the shifting of decimal. Here it is, so we have 4 zeros, it will be shifted towards the right from this 4 digit, that is 1 2 3 4. So it will be, the answer will be 1613.4. that will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we will be going ahead with further question, that what we have to talk about it, and that is the another, which is 109th question of the session here. So let's go ahead with 109th question, where the question is, when 52416 is divided by 312, the question is 1 is 68, and what will be the question where 52.416 is divided by 0.0168. This has been asked in hotel management question paper, and that I'll just write it down the question, then will provide you the options as well. When 52416 is divided by 312, the quotient is 168 what will be the quotient where 52.416 is divided by 0.0168. This has been asked in hotel management question paper, which is also an important paper respect towards the competition wise if I'm talking about. The options for this we have 3.12, B option is 312, C option is 3120, and the D option is none of these. So that we have to talk about it, and let's go ahead with that as well. So that is given, we have what we have given here is your 52416, that is 52.416 upon 312 what they had given you, and even they have given you the question here 168. Okay, so for that sake 52416 upon 168, and that has been given you 52416 upon 168. So what it will be give you is your 312. Okay, so that will be the right answer. So you don't have to worry about it कि ये point decimal दिया हुआ है तो ऐसे कैसे करेंगे, उन्होंने already दिया हुआ है 50, that is 52416 here, that we have is divided by the 312 is give you 168. So here they had told you 52.416 that being divided by 168, then it will be give 312. So if you write simultaneously you will be getting the answer. If you're not writing simultaneously, so you will be just finding it out and you're just being going through with the confusions here. For this we will solve it out. Not that is the answer here. Now we will solve it out further. Now 52.416 upon 0.0168 equals to, it will be removed, the decimal will remove here, that is 52416 upon 168, which is equals to 52416 upon 168 into 10, and that is equals to 312 into 10, which is equals to 3120. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we will move ahead the further question that what we have to talk about it, which is your 100 and that is your 10th question of the session, and that we have as like given what they had given you, given 168 into 32 equals to 5376, then 5.376 is divided by 16.8 where it is equals to, the options for this we have 0.032, 0.32, 3.2 and 32 that we will have. Let's go ahead with the solution for this, and that we have as follows. We are given what it is given, 168 into 32 is equals to 5376, or we can say that 5376, that is your divided by 168, it will give 32. Okay, so in the same pattern what will it will be, that is your 5.376 upon 16.8 equals to 53.76 upon 168, which is equals to 5376 upon 168 into 1 upon 100, and that is equals to 32 upon 100. And when 30 the two zeros here in the denominator, so what we'll do, we'll put the decimal of 2 digit here, which is will be 0.32. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we will be going ahead further, and that what we'll discuss about it, which is your 111th question of the session, that what we have to talk about it. So let's go ahead here. 111th question of the session. So the question we have here, which is 54.327 into 357.2 into 0.0057 is same as they had told you, that is 54.327 into 357 into 2 0.2 into and 0.0057 is same as. This has been the question which has been asked in the hotel management question paper. So the A, we have an options, different options there as well. So we'll just write it down, the options, so that you will be get to know that among which you have to mark it out, and among which you have to solve it out as well, so that you will be able to know about it. So the options we have here, which is 5.4327 into 3.572 into 5.7. The B option is 5.4, that is your 327 into 3.572 into 0.57. The C options we have 54327 into 3572 into 0.000, that we have 5 zeros here, 1 2 3 4 5 and then 5 7, and that is the D option is none of these. So we'll go ahead, we have to find out this question is same as within these options which it is. So let's go ahead with the solution for this as well. So here the number of decimals, if I'm talking about the places in that given expressions, we have like 1 2 3 4 4 and 5 6 7 8. So that is 8. We'll go ahead with the solution, which is number of decimal places in the given expression equals to 8 as I count it out. Okay, I will just count once again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so the number of the decimal place of A, if I'm talking about number of decimal places in A, this is option A, 1 2 3 4 4 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it has it has 8 only. Let's count once, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So that is 8. Okay, the another will talk about it, the number of decimal places in B, that what we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So that is 9. Now we'll talk about the another one, number of decimal places in C, because D option is none of these, so will not count it out. So here it we have is your 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that is your 7. So clearly the expressions in A isn't the same as the given expression. Basically what we had did, we had not multiplied each and then we'll solve it out. We just simply what do it is we just counted down after the decimal point, the decimal places, number of decimal places in the questions given and then the options given, and we just counted on, and the same as what we have in the given expressions and as well as in options, that will be the right answer. The answer would be your the option A will be the right answer for this question. That is same as this. Okay, now we will be going ahead with other question, and that is we have your 112th question of the session that we have to talk about it. So the question for that we have, and as I told you, this has been asked in the hotel management examination paper here. So yeah, we will go ahead, and that we have is your 5.3472 multiply 324.23 upon 3.489 into 5.42. that is the same as. So that what we have to find out, and for that we have an options as well. So let's go ahead with first options here, A B C and the D we talk about here. The other way we will just count down here only. So here we have an options. So for the A options we have 5, 3, 4, 7, 2 into 3.2423 upon 3.489 into 54.2. The B options we have 5, 3, 4, 7, 2 into 32423 upon 3489 into 542. For the C option, which is 534.72 into 324.23 upon 34.89 into 5.42. For the D option we have, which is 53472 into 3242.3 upon 3489 into 542 as well. So there are 4 options. Among these we have a one right answer. As you can see the question, and you don't have to be so worry about it, because all these questions, if I'm talking about, as we had solved the above one as well in a very simple manner, so you can just solve it out, this one as well. And that for that questions, if I'm talking about here, for the expressions that to be equivalent, that the differences of the sum of the decimal places in the numerators, and that is in the denominator, that must be equal. So the difference in one in such expressions and one in D as well. And that the D will be the answer. As you can see here, 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 3 and 4 5 5 6 by 5 है यहाँ पे देखते हैं। तो यहाँ पे 4 है और यहाँ पे 3 और 4 है, तो ये 4 by 4 है, तो नहीं होगा। एंड यहाँ पे तो है ही नहीं, तो ये भी नहीं होने वाला। एंड सी इसमें 1 2 3 4 5 6 एंड 7 8 सॉरी 2 2 एंड 4 by 4, ये इसमें भी नहीं होगा। Here it is what that we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that is we have here, that is the one in the expressions only, and that the same expressions we have here, and that with the same expression, with that same expression we have that is the same will be the right answer as well. So there is the answer will be the D here. Okay, I repeat, for example, for this expression that to be equivalent, the difference between the sum of the decimal places in the numerator and that is of the denominator, that must be equal. So this the differences, that one is the given expressions is one in D, and so that the expression we have here. Okay, so it will be just going to be cancelled out, and that will be giving the same expression. So the D will be the expression, that will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we will be going ahead with other question, that what we have to solve it out as well, and that is the another question here. Let's go ahead with 113th question of the session. 113th question of the session. The question we have 96.54 minus 89.63, and which is upon that we have 96.54 plus 89.63, the plus 965.4 minus 896.3 upon that we have here. So where we go ahead, that is 9.654 plus 8.963, and which is equals to the question mark. That's what we have to find out. The options for this we have is 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 1, 10, and none of these. So we'll go ahead with the solution for this as well, as that what we have to talk about it. So here for the given expression, as you can see here, this is a given expression. We will solve it out and then we'll find it out as well. So in that same cases, where it will be, this is a division sign here, just not plus, this is a division sign. So we further solve it out. So this is a given expression. So when we will be changing the division sign into the multiplication sign, what we will do is we will just reverse the another one reciprocal of this, and then it will become your multiplication here. So that we will go ahead here. So that is your 96.54 minus 89.63 upon, this will remain the same as well what they have, 96.54 plus 89.63, and that it will be minus multiply, so it will reverse, denominator become numerator, numerator become denominator here. So that will be 9.654 and that is plus 8.963 अपॉन, अब ये वाला न्यूमरेटर जो है वो डिनोमिनेटर बन गया, दैट इज़ 965.4 minus 896.3. Okay, then further we will solve it out. What we'll get is here, that is 96.54 minus 89.63 upon, that is 965.4 minus 896.3 multiply 9.654 plus 8.963 upon 96.54 plus 89.63, and then when we'll go ahead, what we will get is your, that is 96.54 minus 89.63 upon 10, 96.54 minus 89.63 multiply 96.54 plus 89.63, and that is upon, we'll take 10 outside, that is 96.54 plus 89.63. So for that we'll take about, that is, as you can see here, it is also be 10 outside and this is also being 10 outside, 96.54, 89.63, and that is your minus it out, and that 9 here it is also minus it out. So here we'll get is your 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 10. Okay, this will all cancel it out, so that is equals to 1 upon 100, and 1 upon 100, it will, I can write it down 10 to the power 2, and when it will come above, so it will be 10 to the power minus 2 here. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead with 114th question of the session. The question is that if 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube till 9 cube is equals to 2025, then the value of 0.11 cube plus 0.22 cube plus 0.99 cube is close to that. What we have to talk about it, which has been asked in your SSC examination paper. So let's go ahead with question here. If 1 cube plus 2 cube, that is your plus 3 cube, and that will be going ahead with 9 cube, which is equals to 2025, and then the value of 0.11 ka cube plus 0.22 cube plus till 0.99 cube, that is close to, we have to talk about it, which has been asked in SSC examination paper, and that is also an important one. And the options for this we have, that is 0.2695, the B option is 0.3695, C option is 2.695, and the D option is 3.695. So that what we have to talk about it, and let's go ahead with the solution for this, which is 0.11 cube plus 0.22 cube plus 0.99 cube, and which is equals to 0.11 cube, and then we'll take as 1 cube plus 2 cube plus till 9 cube. so it will multiply 0.11 multiplied with 1 cube, it will become 0.11 cube only. It will multiply 2, so that is become 22 cube. It will multiply 99, so that will 99 cube. Okay, so that will be the right answer. That's the reason we have taken 0.11 cube here. 0.001331 into 2025. When we'll multiply here, 0.11 का cube is 11 11s is your 1331, and that we had done. And here for the 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube till plus and 9 cube here, that has been given here. As you can see, that is equals to 2025, so that we had put the value here. When we multiply with both, we will get is your 2.695275, and when will just take as the 3-digit number only after the decimal, so it will become 2.695. That will be the right answer for this question here. So that is the right answer. And now we will go ahead with other one which we have to talk about it, which is your 115th question of the session, and that is also an important one that we have to talk about it. So here we go ahead, which is 8.7 minus 7.6 minus 6.5 minus 5.4 minus 4.3 minus 2, and this 4.3 minus 2, we have a bar that is simply 2, and that has been asked in SSC examination paper. The options for this is 2.5, 3.5, 4.5 and 5.5, and that's what we have to talk about here. So in the same cases, we will be going ahead for the given expression, and that is equals to 8.7 minus 7.6 minus 6.5 minus 5.4 minus 2.3, so which is equals to 8.7 minus 7.6 minus 6.5 minus 3.1, and that is equals to 8.7 minus 7.6 minus 3.4. When we'll minus it out, 5 minus 1 is 4 and 6 minus 3 is 3, so 3.4. And when we'll further solve it out, like 8 minus 7 minus that 6 minus 4 is 2, and that is your 7 minus 3 is your 4, so that is 4.2. So 8 minus 7 and 4 minus 2, 4.2. So 7 minus 2 we will be getting is your 5, and 8 minus 4 is 4, so 4.5. The answer will be your 4.5 will be the right answer for this question as well. We will be going ahead with other question, that what we have to talk about it, and that is another one. And that is, as you can see there, bar. If it is given a bar here, so you have to solve bar first, and after that you have to solve the small bracket, then of course the long bracket, curly brackets simultaneously in a BODMAS rule. There we have to use the first we have to solve the division part, multiplication, then addition, then subtraction as well. So let's go ahead with other question, which is your 116th question of the session, and that we have here, which is the value of 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 into 5 plus 1 upon 4 into 5 into 6, and that is the correct to 4 decimal place. So that correct to 4 decimal place we have to find out. For this we have an option 0.3075, 0.3082, 0.3083 and 0.3085. That what we have to talk about it. So let's go ahead for the session as well. That is 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 into 5 plus 1 upon 4 into 5 into 6, and that is equals to 1 upon 4, and that is 1 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 30, and which is equals to 1 upon 4 that we have 1 upon 4, 30 plus 6 plus 1 upon 30 here. When we'll take as LCM here 30, so it will be 1. So 30 when multiplied by 1 is your 30 here, and that is 5 6 are 30 and 6 multiplied, so that is 6 here, and 30 पे 30 1 ही आता है, so that is the 1 here. So that is the solution when we are taking the LCM here. For that 1.4 into 30 plus 6, 36 plus 1, 37, 37 upon 30. So here that is, because it is not cancelled it out, so 37 ones are 37 and 4 30s are 4 3s are 12, so that is 120. And when we'll got ahead with the solution with the detailed about it, and that we further solve it out, what we'll get is 0.3083. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we will go ahead with the further question, and that is another one, and which is your 117th question of the session. So here we will go ahead, and that is what we have to find out. And another question is, find the value of the following expressions up to the 4 places of decimal, and that we have here the expression we have 1 plus 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 1 into 2 into 4 plus 1 upon 1 into 2 into 4 into 8, plus that we have to talk about it, which is 1 upon 1 into 2 into 4 into 8 into 16. This is an expression. This has been asked in hotel management question paper. For the options we have here 1.6414, B option is 1.6415, 1.6416, and the other is your 1.6428. Let's go ahead with the solution as well. So that we have the given expression for this, we have 2 into 4, that is into 8 into 16 plus 4 into 8 into 16 plus 8 into 16 plus 16 and plus 1, that is upon, we have taken LCM of 2 into 4 into 8 into 16. अब ये कैसे आया, that is we take as 2 into 4 into 8 into 16 here. So in the same cases here you can see here it is nothing has been mentioned here. So other than 1 will take as all, that 2 here, 4 here, 8 here and 16 here. For this here you can see that 1 and 2 is there, so we'll remove this, and then other than that we'll add it on. So that 2 we removed it, 4 8 16, we'll have 4 8 16 here. Okay, then plus for the third one we'll talk about 1 to 4, so 1 to 4 will remove it, and other than that 8 and 16 will be there. So that is we had represented 8 into 16. For the another one 2 4 8 we have to remove it, so we have only 16, so that we'll write it down here as your 16. Then after that in the next one is your 2 4 8 16, so only the 1 is there, so that is we're representing the 1 here. So that is the how you have to perform it out. So here we go ahead, and that what we have to solve it out, and then we'll solve it out like 4 2 is 8, 8 is the 16, and 16 is your 1024 plus, and for that 8 4 that is your 32 16 we have 512 plus, and 16 8 is your 128 plus 16 plus 1 upon, that is your here that what we had multiplied, and that is your which is your 4 2s are 8, 8 8 is 16, 16 16s we have 1024 here. And when we'll add in on 4 plus 2, that's 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 6 we have here is your 22 plus 1, that is your that is in the in cases when we are going ahead, and we'll get is your 1681 upon 1024, and that we can go ahead, and as you can see here, that is 1024 512 128 and 16 and 1. So 8 to 10, 10, 6, 4, 10, and that's 21. 1 yarn to carry, that is 8, 1, 1681, and that when we will solve it out further. As I told you about the feather calculation, we'll get the answer here, and that is 1.641716 here. And now we'll go ahead with the further question that we have to talk about it, which is the another one, and that what we have to talk about it, which is 118th question of the session here. Let's go ahead with that. So 118th question of the session, that what we have to talk about it, which is we have as follows, that is your the sum of the first 20 terms of the series 1 upon 5 into 6 plus 1 upon 6 into 7, 1 plus 1 upon 7 into 8 plus, and then so on till infinite. So for that we have a question. I will just write it down the question here, which is the sum of first 20 terms of the series that we have 1 upon 5 into 6 plus 1 upon 6 into 7 plus 1 upon 7 into 8. This is a series here, and that has been asked in your hotel management question paper as well. The options for this we have is 0.16, 1.6, 16, and none of these. So we'll find out the solution for this as well. So the given expression, as you can see, 1 upon 5 into 6, I'll just write it down once again. That is 1 upon 5 into 6 plus 1 upon 6 into 7 plus 1 upon 7 into 8, and plus, like, we'll take as a 24th term, so like 24 into 25, because they had told you about the first 20 terms. So first 20 terms starts from 5, and 5 plus 20 is your 25. So 25 term tak hum leke chalenge, and for that we have 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 8, and plus till plus that we have 1 upon 24 minus 1 upon 25. Well, solving out, we'll take as 1 upon 5, and that we have 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 25. We'll take as a here, that is 4 upon 25, that has been minused here, and which is equals to 0.16. That will be the right answer for this question here as well. We will be going ahead with a further question, that what we have to talk about it, and that is the another question is your 119th question of the session, that we have to go ahead. Let's go ahead with that, and which is your the another question, and that is the if 1.5x equals to, we will go ahead, and that what we have to talk about it, which is if 1.5x equals to 0.04y, then the value of y minus x upon y plus x, that we have to find out. The options we have 730 upon 77, 73 upon 77, 7.3 upon 77, and none of these, that we have to talk about it. And let's go ahead with the solution, that we have x upon y equals to 0.04 upon 1.5, which is equals to 4 upon, if we'll remove the decimal here, that is 150, and that is we will be going ahead. That is, we had removed 2 zeros, so it will increase 2 zeros, 1 and 1 0, 1 1 cancel, so it is 4 upon 150. That is, we will representing here, and that is equals to, when we cancel it out, 2 to the 4, 2 7 the 45, 2 7 the 14, and 2 5 the 10. So 2 upon 75 will be the here as an answer. And we'll talk about for the same case for the y minus x and y plus x. So that is y minus x upon y plus x, in that which is 1 minus x upon y upon 1 plus x upon y, and that is equals to 1 minus 2 upon 75 upon 1 plus 2 upon 75, and which is equals to, that is 73 upon 77. That will be the right answer for this question as well. We will going ahead with other question that we have to talk about it, which is another question here, and that we have as follows. And for that we have a solution as well. So we'll go ahead with other question, that is 120th question of the session, and that we will discuss here. So 120th question of the session that we have to talk about it, and which is the value of 35.7 minus 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 by 2 is, that the options we have 30, 34.8, 36.6 and 41.4 that we have to find out. Let's go ahead with the solution as well, and that we have the given expression for this is your 35.7 minus here, where we go ahead with this, and that is your 3 plus 1 upon 10 upon 3 here, and that is minus 2 plus 1 upon 5 by 2, and that is equals to, which is 35.7 here. So where we go ahead with the other one, that is your 35.7 minus 3 plus 3 upon 10 minus 2 plus 2 upon 5, and that is equals to 35.7 minus 33 upon 10 minus 12 upon 5. And for that we can say that here 35.7 minus 33 upon 10 plus 12 upon 5, which is equals to 35.7 minus 57 upon 10, and that is equals to 35.7 minus 5.7, and which is equals to the 30 here as an answer for this question. We will be going ahead with other question, which is your 121th question of the session, and that what we have to talk about it, which is in the same cases the question we have as follows, and that is your the another question here, which is your, the question is 0.1667, 0.8333, 0.333 and 3 upon 0.2222, 0.6667, 0.1250, that is approximately is equals to, and that has been asked in your MBA examination paper, and that is also an important paper respect towards the competition wise. We'll talk about it. The options for this we have is your 2, 2.40, 2.43 and 2.50 here, and that what we have to talk about it. Let's go ahead with the solution for this as well. So here we will be having the solution that I told you about it. For the given expression that we have is your 0.3333, which is upon, and that is 0.2222, and that is multiplied by 0.1667, 0.8333 upon, which we have here and that is upon 0.6667, and that is 0.1250, and that is equals to 3333 upon 222 and 2 here. When we'll solve further it out, we'll get it 1 upon 6 into 5.6 upon 2 upon 3 into 125 upon 1000, and that what we have to talk about it. And further we will solve it out. We'll get 3 by 2 into 1 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 3 by 2 into 8 here, and for that we have 5 by 2, and that will get, as you can see here, we'll cancel it out for your sake. That is here 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6, and with the same case 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6, and so it will be that we'll cancel it out further, and this is 8 as well, so we'll cancel it out. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 ones are 2, and then 2 ones are 2. It is 5 by 2. So the answer we will get is that is answer will be the 5 by 2. And when we further solve it out, what we'll get is your 2.50. That will be the right answer with the question here. Let's go ahead with another one, which is your 122th question of the session, that what we have to talk about it, and that even though what we have to discuss here as well. So we'll go ahead with 122th question of the session, that what we have to talk about it, and which is another question here. In the same cases, with the question we have the value of, we have to find out, that is 3.6 into 0.48 into 2.50 upon here, and that is your 0.12 into 0.09 into 0.5, and this has been asked in SSC examination paper, and which we have to discuss. The options for this we have here 80, 800, 8000 and 80,000, so that we'll have to find out, and for this we will be going ahead with the solution as well. So let's go ahead here, and in the same cases you have to focus it on that how the question has been asked and how you have to answer it out, and the pattern of these particular questions as well. So here we go ahead with just 3.6 into 0.48 into that is 2.50 upon 0.12 into 0.09 into 0.5. So that is the further will be removing the decimal here, that is 36 into 48 into 250 upon that is 250 upon here, that is your 12 into 9 into 5. So we'll cancel it out by this, that is 9 ones are 9, and that is 9 fours are 36, and for that 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, and same for that, for 5 ones are 5, 5s are 25 and 0, and for 3 here that will be cancel it out 48, and that is 3 ones are 3, and 3 that is 3 6 are 18, so 16 here, and 16 multiplied by 5, so 5 6 are 30, and 3 carry, 5 ones are 5 plus 3, that is your 800. So the answer will be your 800. That will be the right answer for this question as well. We will be moving ahead with other question, that what we have to talk about it, and that is the another question here, and that has been the very important question as well, because this has been asked in RRB examination paper as well. So let's go ahead with that. So the question we have, which is your another question, is your 123rd question of the session, and that what we have to talk about it, which is 0.0 that is 203, and we are into 2 into 92 upon 2.92 upon, and that is 0.0073 into 14.5 into 0.7, which is equals to here, and this has been the important question because this has been asked in RRB examination paper, and which is also an important one. The options for this we have 0.8, 1.45, 2.40 and 3.25 as well. And now we will go ahead with the solution as well, that what we have to talk about it. So here we go ahead with the solution, that is your the questions that has been asked follows. Let's go ahead with the solution here, and that is we have 0.0203 into 2.92 upon, that is your 0.0073 into 14.5 into 0.7, that is equals to 203 into 292 upon 73 into 145 into 7, which is equals to 4 upon 5, and that is equals to 0.8. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Let's go ahead with other one which we have is your the another question, and that is your the next question is your 124th question of the session, that what we have to go ahead. So let's go ahead with that particular question here as well. We are in the same case, we have your 124th question, that is to be as follows, and which is also an important one in terms of it if I'm talking about, and that is going ahead with the question. So here the value of we have to find out, which is the value of 3.157 into 4126 into 3.198, and that is upon here index, which is your 63.972 into 2835.121, and that is you have to find out the closest here, which has been asked in CBI examination paper, and that is also an important one here in terms of it. So we will be going ahead with the solution, and that the options as I told you, 0.002, 0.02, 0.2 and 2 here. So we will be going ahead with the solution for this. So let's go ahead. 3.157 into 4126 into 3.198 upon, that is your 63.972 into 2835.121, which is equals to 3.2 into 4126 into 3.2 upon, that is your 64 into 280 835 here. We'll further solve it out. 32 into 4126 into 32 upon 64 into 2835, and when we'll cancel it out here, and what we will get is your 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4, 16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2, and 2 6 are 12. Then we have to 8 3 5, and that will be that divided by, so then what we'll get as an answer here, that is this also when we further do it, this has also been multiplied by 1 upon 100 as well, and then we remove the decimal places of 3.2 and 3.2, it will multiply by 100 here, and that it will give, if we will not cancel it out, we'll get 66016 upon 2835 into 1 upon 100, and then when we solve it out, what we'll get is your 23 upon 28 upon 100 is equals to 0.23, which is equals to 0.2. That will be the 0.2 will be the right answer for this question here. We will going ahead with other one, which is your 125th question of the session, that what we have to talk about it. So that is your 125th question of the session that we have to talk about, and that is the question we have the value of that is 489.1375 into 0.0483 into 1.956 upon, that is 0.0873 into 92.581 into 99.749, that is closest to, if we have to find out, this has been asked in CBI examination paper. The options for this we have is 0.006, 0.06, 0.6 and 6 as well. So with that same case, we'll have to solve it out, and for that we have as follows, which is 489.1375 into 0.0483 into 1.956 upon, that is 0.0873 into 92.581 into 99.749, 49, and which is equals to 489 into 0.05 into 2 upon that we have, which is your 0 point that we have as well, which is 0.09 into 93 into 100, and which is further we'll solve it out, which is 489 upon 9 into 93 into 10, that is 93 nines are that we have 279, and which is that will be follows as 163 upon 279, and is equals to here, which is multiplied by 10, and that is equals to 0.58 upon 10, and for that we have here 0.058, and which is equals to 0.058 equals to 0.06. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Let's go ahead with other question which we have to talk about is your 126 question of the session here. So here we go ahead, and that is your 126th question of the session that we have to talk about it, which is another question we have, and which is to be as follows as well, and that we have to consider about it. And the question we have, which is the value of, we have to find out the value of 241.6 into 0.3814 into 6.842 upon 0.4618 into 38.25 into 73.65, that is close to. The options for this we have 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 and 1, and for the solution we have here for this that we have to solve it out, which is to be as follows: 241.6 into 0.3814 into 6.842 upon 0.4618 into 38.25 into 73.65, which is equals to 240 into 0.38 into 6.9 upon that we have here, which is 0.46 into 38 into 75. Further we'll solve it out, which is 240 into 38 into 69 upon 46 into 38 into 75 and into 1 upon 10, which is further called as 24 upon 5 into 1 upon 10, and that will take as that will be when 5 is divided by 24, we will get your 48 4.8 upon 5, and for 0.8 upon 10, that is equals to 0.48 here. That will be the right answer. So the value that is close to it, which is 0.4 here, that will be the right answer for this question. Now we will go ahead with other question that what we have to talk about it, and that is the another question as well. So here in the same cases we will be going ahead with 127th question of the session, and even though that what we have to talk about it, let's go ahead with 127th question of the session, and that what we even though have to discuss here. Let's go ahead. 127th question of the session that we have to talk about. The question we have is 0.2 into 0.2 plus 0.01, 0.1 into 0.1 and plus 0.02 inverse, and that is equals to, we have to find out, which has been asked in section officer question paper, and that is the question options we have 5 by 3, 9 by 5, 41 by 4 and 41 by 12, and for that we have a solution as well. For this we have to solve it out as well. So in the same case, the given expressions we have as follows, which is 0.2 into 0.2, that is divided by 0.01 upon, and which is equals to 0.1 into 0.1 divided by 0.02 that we have. And in the same cases that we talk about it, this is a division sign. Okay, so that we will talk about it and that we solve it out as well. So in the same cases, for this we have, which is 0.004 divided by 0.01 upon, so this is, we have a plus, sorry, okay, so this is 0.04 plus, and then 0.01 plus 0.02, which is equals to 0.05 upon 0.03, and that is equals to 5 upon 3, because they have an equal decimal place value after the decimal. So we will just cancel it out, and the answer will be get is your 5 by 3, and that will be the right answer for this particular question, which has been asked in section officers question paper as well. The other question will move ahead, which is your 128 question of the session, and that we have as follows. And for that sake, when we are going ahead with the different questions, as I told you about it, so you have to go ahead with the question that what they had asked you. The another question is your 5 into 1.6 minus 2 into 1.4 upon 1.3, which is equals to, we have to find out. This has been the question which has been asked in the bank PO question paper, and the options for this is 0.4, 1.2, 1.4 and 4 as well. So for that we have a solutions here, and that we have to talk about it, which is the given expression. For this we talk about it. The given expression is 8 minus 2.8 upon 1.3, and that is, when we will subtract it out, 8.0 minus 2.8, we will be getting is your 5.2, because 10 minus 8 is 2, and that 7 minus 2 is 5 upon, and that is your 1.3. So when we are dealing with the other one, that is because they have a decimal place, they have one digit only, so we will just write it down 52 upon 30, and 13 ones are 13 and 13 fours are 52. So the answer will be the 4 here as well. We will go ahead with other question that we have to talk about it, which is your 129th question of the session, and that we have as follows, which is 129th question, that is the value of 4.7 into 13.26 is plus 4.7 into 9.43 plus 4.7 into 77.31, that we have to find out is. And this is the question which has been asked in your IGNOU examination paper, so that is also an important paper respect towards a competition wise if I am talking about. So the options for this we have 0.47, 47, 470 and 4700. So let's go ahead with the solution here, as you have to go ahead with the questions that we have to deal with it, and according to that particular question you have to answer it out as well, as I told you. So let's go ahead with the questions, that is we have 4.7 into 13.26 plus 9.43 plus 77.30, that one here. As you can see, 4.7 is common in all, so we take as common here, and then we write it down in the form of the plus sign, that we have the another number. So we'll further, when we'll open it out, we'll have 4.7 into 100. When we'll add it on, we'll get 100 here, and which is when we multiply this, so the decimal places been removed, and that is 2 digits, so they don't have, and that is your 470. So that will be the right answer. It will move 1 and then 2, then the zeros should be there, so that is, it becomes 470 here. Now we will go ahead with other question that we have to talk about it, which is your 130th question of the session, and that we have as follows. For this question as well, this is also an important question, because this has been asked in your examination paper as well. And the 130th question of the session that we have, which is just to have to simplify here. In the simplification, that the questions we have is your 0.2 into 0.2 plus 0.2, that is into 0.02, and that is upon here, that is 0.044. So the options for this we have here, which is 0.004, 0.41 and 2. This has been the very important question, because paper that is has been asked in SSC examination paper. This is also an important paper in reference towards, if I'm talking about the competition wise here, so that is also an important question paper, and that we'll talk about the that to simplify these particular questions. So let's go ahead for the simplifications here. For the given expressions we have is your 0.2 that is in bracket 0.2 plus 0.02. As you can see here that the 0.2 is in common, so we have taken up the common here, that is 0.044. When we'll further solve it out, what we'll get is your 0.2 into 0.22 upon, that is 0.044, which is equals to 0.044 upon 0.044, and that is cancelled out, so we'll get the answer 1 here. Okay, so now we'll go ahead with the other question, that is the simplification, what we have to do it. And you can also go ahead with the solution, because if you don't know how to do it, and if you know, that is very good for you as well. So let's go ahead with other question, that is your 131st question of the session, that what we have to talk about it. And in the same case we have to consider about it as well. So the 131st question of the session we have as follows. In the terms of simplification, that the other question we have the value of, which is 8.6 into 5.3 plus 8.6 into 4.7 upon, which is your 4.3 into 9.7 minus 4.3 into 8.7, and that we have, and the options for this is 3.3, 6.847, 13.9 and 20. And for that we have to solve it out as well, as I told you about it. And it is also an important paper in reference towards the competition wise, and that is as well that has been also important here. So in the same references with the same pattern what they are following, we have to go ahead and consider about it. So we'll go ahead with the solution as well, and which is also an important one. 8.6 into, because 8.6 दोनों में common है, take as 5.3 plus 4.7 upon, that is 4.3 we take as common, 9.7 minus 8.7, so which is equals to 8.6 common है, दोनों में को प्लस करेंगे will get 10 upon 4.3 common है into, when we subtract it we'll get 1, and that is equals to which the decimals has been cancelled out, and that is your we'll go ahead and that will solve it out and will format as the answer, that will be the 20 here. The answer will be the 20 for this particular question as well. Now we will be going ahead with other question, and that is another one which we have to talk about it, and that is the another question of the session, that is your 132th question of the session, and that will start in the next coming class, so that it will be helpful for that as well, because that is also the, we have to find out the value for that, and that we will deal in the next coming class, hopefully we'll do it, which is the 132th question of the session. And in the same cases, in terms of quantitative aptitude, we are dealing with many different questions as well, and in the same cases, if I'm talking about here for the sake of in talking about the subjects that we are dealing here, so we are dealing with the quantitative aptitude, and other than that we had completed your reasoning as well, and we had completed your reasoning, we are dealing with reasoning as well, we had completed your sociology, and in sociology we had completed all the syllabus here, and that all the 5 units which we had completed, and after that we had started with the chemistry of class 12th, that we had started with the part 1, that we had started with the solid states as well. Other than that, we had completed, as I told you, about the sociology as well, many more subjects you can go through with the playlist. We will start with the software engineering as well, and we had completed in reasoning, we had completed the verbal reasoning there, where we had completed the general mental ability, and that we had completed the logic reasoning as well, and we had completed near about 35 topics in reasoning, and in non-verbal reasoning we had started with reasoning series, where in series we had completed more than 1000 questions. We had started with analogy, the second topic of the non-verbal reasoning as well. Other than that, in terms of quantitative aptitude, if I'm talking about in the quantitative aptitude, this has been divided into the 2 sections here, which is the first section we have arithmetical ability, the second is your interpretation data here, and in the same case for the arithmetical ability we had deal with the 2 topics, which has operations on numbers and SCF and LCM of numbers as well. And other than that, the third topic we are starting with that is the decimal fraction. In this, after completing the decimal fraction in the next coming classes, we'll be starting with the simplification, square roots and cube roots, average, problems on numbers, problems on ages, surds and indices, percentage, profit loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, pipes and systems, times and distance, problems on trains, goods and streams, allegations or mixtures, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendars, clocks and stocks and shares as well. The permutation and combination, probability, time discount, bankers discount, heights and distances, oddsman and out series as well. In the second section, which is we have with your the data interpretation, in that we have to cover up the tabulation part, bar graph, pie charts and line graphs as well. So we will complete that as well. So first of all, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers, you can please go through with the subscribe button so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. We will deal with I think we'll deal with one more questions here for this, because it will be completing as soon as possible, that we will complete the decimal fraction. And before starting with that, as I told you about it, that we will surely be completing soon. And there are many there are approximately 30 to 40 more questions here to deal with it. So let's go ahead with one more question, so that you will be able to understand here. So let us the question, the last question of the session is your 132th question of the session. That the question we have: the value of 0.896 into 0.763, that is plus 896 into 0.237 upon, which is your 0.7 into 0.064 and plus 0.7 into 0.936, and that we have. So here the options we have 0.976, 9.76 and 1.28 and 12.8 as well. So that we have to talk about it, and which we have to go ahead as well, and the same cases will solve it out as well. So that is we have the question of the sessions here, and the solution for this we have here as follows, which is your we deal with it, which is 0.896 into 7.63 plus 0.237. We had taken a 0.896 as common, and upon, which is 0.7 will take as common because they have, and that is 0.064 plus 0.936, and that is equals to 0.896 into 1 upon 0.7 into 1. When we'll solve it out as well, we'll get is your 8.96 upon 7, and when we'll further solve it out, it will be 1.28. that will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we will go ahead with one more question, if I'm talking about here, which is the 133rd question of the session, and that we have here, which is the value of, or that we will have to find out, and which is the value of 68.237 square minus 31.763 square, and that has been that the options we have 3.6474 and 36.474 and 364.74 and 3647.4, that we have to talk about it. So not a problem, we'll go ahead with the solutions here, and which we have here. As you can see, this is the question here is in the form of a square minus b square, and we know the formula here, a plus b and a minus b. So let's go ahead with the applications here, that is 68.237 here, that we have as in the form of squares, and which is that is plus 31.763, and here for that as well, that is 68.237 minus 31.3 763, that is equals to here, that is 2ab as well. So that when we'll multiply a plus b, so we'll get here is the 100, and multiply, and so the when we subtract it, we'll get is 36.474, and when we'll multiply, we will get the two decimal place will be shifted here, so it will be shifted towards the right hand side, so 4 and 3, that is 3647.4. the answer will be 3647.4. that will be the right answer for this question as well. So here we'll end up with, and first of all, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers, please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. You can please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Thank you.